Well, my name's Jon Skuba. I'm from Boulder, Colorado, and that bird out there is called Yardbird. We actually picked it up at a garage sale, believe it or not. We made some improvements to it because it was not airworthy when we bought it. And now it's flying on an M1297 with dual deployment, and it also has 2 free-range chickens that land on their own parachutes.
So now, is this the first flight?
Oh no, it's flown before on a L hybrid and a big K.
Okay, so you've been out here before at AirFest?
I was here for LDRS once upon a time, a long time ago with my family, but didn't fly anything.
So did you come out here because of the big Saturn 1Bs?
No, I came to actually just to come to another big launch. And I've never launched in Kansas before, so I figured that was an opportunity.
Is it hot enough for you?
Yeah. It's not the heat so much, it's the humidity. It's as hot as this in Colorado, it's just not as damp.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Thanks.
There's the man.